What up, what up, what up? It's the Real MVPs here, and today we're gonna go over a few of my top summertime baits. Let's get to it. Frogs, hollow bellies. So you got ones that have little to no action. You got ones you can walk. You got ones you can pop. Those are a must-have in the tackle box for the summertime. Next, must-have for the summertime, buzz bait. Gotta have a buzz bait. White in the morning, black in the evening. Play with the colors of blades, gold or silver. Can't go wrong with a buzz bait. Top waters can't go wrong when you're having fun. So, poppers, whopper ploppers, walking baits. Gotta have them for the summertime. Worms. You got multiple variety of worms that you can use. So straight tail, ribbon tail, oversized big 10 to 12 inch worms. You gotta have some worms. Soft jerk bait, you gotta have soft jerk bait. If you start seeing them bust, see bait fish start busting, or if things start getting tough, gotta have a soft jerk bait. Alright, swim jigs. But in this case, flipping jigs, because you can use a flipping jig as a swim jig. So, whatever your favorite flipping jig is, of course, I make them. Holla at me. Carolina rigs. I don't have one tied up right now, but a Carolina rig, definitely great bait for the summertime. Torpedoes and jitterbugs. You probably seen them, old school baits, torpedoes, jitterbugs. Probably wondered, what do they do? Probably seen them in the store, wonder, when do those work? In the summertime. So summertime is the best time for those lures right there, and they're very productive. Torpedo, jitterbug. Go load your tackle box up right now with some of these lures that I just mentioned and get ready for some summertime action, because you will be catching fish. Real MVPs, we out.